want to open the curtains, Jordan? Come on. Yes, the other one. Well done. Thank you so much. Do you want to say hi to your friends? Look here. Hi, everybody. Hello, my YouTube friends. Good morning. Welcome back to our channel, D&J. Peppa and George. कशी आहे सगळी? सजमोदा सगळी बरी आहे म्हण? आम्ही बी बरी आहे. मातशे 2-3 दिसांनी कोला व्लॉग. ओके. घरा कडेन आसलोले. सो म्हाका तितूंतलें कंटेंट मेळ्ळो ना. आय वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग वॉट न्यू आय कॅन शो टू यू ऑल. सो आयज म्हळें चल मॉर्निंग स्टार्ट करुया व्लॉग. मागीर चोया दीस केसो वयता तो. सो आतां मॉर्निंग जालें. जॉर्डनान बरो कर्टन्स ओपन केले. आनी आतां वयता मातशें बटाट्यां भाज करपाक. ओके. ओके सो पटेटो भाजी कोता मातशें ब्रेकफास्टाक आनी रेस्ट ऑफ द डे मागीर दाखयता तुमकां केसो वयता तो. ओके मेट तुमकां मागीर. वॉट ओके आनी कितें घायलां भितर काड खंय. आय ट्राय. ओके सो मागीर मेट तुमकां दाखयता भाजी बटाट्यांची कितको कोत्ता तें. सो फ्रेंड्स जाली पटेटो भाजी आमी वयताय ब्रेकफास्ट करपा. जॉर्डन एन्जॉय जाता पटेटो भाजी ब्रेडा बुडोवन लायले जाल्यार तेका. ओके जॉर्डन शाल वी हॅव ब्रेकफास्ट नाव. तो हेटालो मातशे वगत. ओके सो फास्ट केले हांवें. आतां वयताय ब्रेकफास्ट करपा आनी मागीर हांव तुमकां मेळटा. ओके ब्रेकफास्ट जावन. हॅलो फ्रेंड्स आमी चोय मेळटाय तुमकां आतां. आमगेलो जालो ब्रेकफास्ट आनी रोखडें रांदपा वचपा मेळना मातशे वक्तान वयतलें. थोडोसो टायम जॉर्डना दिता. ओके एक्टिविटी कोरया म्हणटा जॉर्डन. हांवें म्हणलें ओके केसो एक्टिविटी कोरया. सो म्हजे बरें कलर्स घेवन येयला. हांवें म्हणलें ओके कलर मॅच करून एक्टिविटी कोरया म्हणलें. ओके सो सगळे टॉयज हे चोय जॉर्डनान हिंग मांडून दवरलो हाय. हाय जॉर्डन, वॉट एक्टिविटी यू वॉन्ट टू डू? कलर्स? ओके दाखयता. ओके सो वॉट आय एम गोइंग टू डू इज हांव न्हू जॉर्डना कडेन थोडे कलर्स इंचातोलें आनी तो सांगतलो तो कलर केसो तो आनी तेका हांव सांगतलें तो चूज कोत्ते सेम कलराची म्हाका केसली ओस्ट पीक कोन्न दी म्हूण. जस्ट टू अंडरस्टँड ते कलर कोटाय जाल्यार मॅच करपा. ओके वेदर दॅट इज अ सेम कलर. ओके तेश म्हूण. सो आमी स्टार्ट कोरया न्हू. ओके आर यू रेडी जॉर्डन? ओके सो Jordan, can you tell me what color is this? Loudly. Green. Can you show me something from here? Anything that is green? Okay. Fine. Good boy. That's a good match. Okay, next. Jordan, can you tell me what color is this? Brown. Can you show me something from here that is brown? Just look everything and see anything that is brown. Well done. Okay, so this is a good match. Okay, Jordan, what color is this? Blue. Can you search something here that matches blue? Okay, this is blue, right? Can you see something else? Can you get me something else more? Another item that is blue. You can check all your cars. You can check Peppa Pig bus. You can see everywhere. Can you see something? Come on, search. You can see behind there are cars as well. Can you find something, anything in blue? You have to match this color blue. Did you get anything in blue? Come on, you can do it. Quick. Show me. Well done. Good boy. This is blue. Good match. Okay, next. So you can see anywhere else, okay? Everywhere you can see. Now can you tell me what color is this? Yellow. Can you find something in yellow? Okay, there are 2 cars in yellow. Can you find anything else? Besides car, can you find anything else from any other item from the toys? Besides car, no more cars. Anything else from here?
Peppa Pig bus.
Okay, check Peppa Pig bus. Even there are some toys here down. Yeah, it has some parts yellow. But can you tell me some any item that is fully yellow? Can you give it in my hand, please? No. Any other items yellow? What did you see yellow over there? Can you put in Mama's hand? Okay, banana. Good job. What is this? Banana is yellow. Okay, this one is yellow. Well done. Good job. Okay, Jordan, next. Keep this here. Can you tell me what color is this? Red. Can you search something that is red? Not a car. Okay, you can give me one car and one something else because you have all the colors in car. Fully red car. This has some black as well. Anything is there? This is also good. That is also red. Can you give me something else that is red, please? Okay, this car is red. Anything else from here? From this side? Baba, Jordan, from this side, anything else is red? You can give me? Search. What else is red?
This.
Show me. Can you give it in my hand, please? Well done. That is also red. Anything else? Who is this one? No, who is this one standing here on the laptop?
Spider-Man.
What color is the Spider-Man?
Red.
Red. So it is matching. Good job. Okay, now the last one, okay? What color is this? I doubt if anything is matching. Okay, this color is purple. Can you find something in purple over here? You can also find your own the different other colors. That's pink. Purple. You can also search your pencil colors or any other items if there is no more purple. Okay. Okay, that's pink. You don't have anything in purple. Okay, mama's fault. Okay, let's try this way. Can you tell me which is the purple color from here? That is pink. Which one is purple? Which one? This one is purple or this one is purple? Okay, this one is purple. This one is purple or this one is purple?
It's purple.
Okay, good job.
It's purple. This pink.
Okay, so what color is this?
Pink.
Pink. Can you find something in pink for me? Can you find something in pink for me? You can try your colors, you can try your Peppa Pigs, you can try anything. Do you have anything in pink? I doubt you have any cars. I don't think so you have any cars, Jordan. You can try, see Jordan. You can try something this side only, pink. Do you have anything in pink? Well done! This is pink. Good job, Jordan. High five. Yes, you passed. Yay! Clap hands. What is there? Okay, fine. So friends, माशा got color matching game हेलें जॉर्डना कडें. माशा कोटाय तेका colors. आनी तो एन्जॉय जाता एश कोन सोदपाक, ओके, एश कोन सर्चिंग गेम आसात न्हू तेका. सो एसो सोदीत तो मागीर आनी कितें मेळटा तेका. भुरग्यांगे थोडो वगत तो चड वगत एक एक्टिविटी जायना भुरग्यां कडेन. ओके, सो हे मातशें तेका हेल्प कोता क्लियर करपाक दिवपा ना तो आनी हेड्या म्हणटलो. ओके, मातशें कोत हेटा आनी मागीर पोतून मागीर मेळटा तुमकां आनी मातशें वखतान. ओके, राती हांवें चिकन केलोलें, सो तेज करी आहा मुकोडे, चिकन करी आनी थोडोसो रायस कोतोलें आनी फिश कटलेट्स कोतोलें मागीर. ओके, सो तो जातलो आमगेलो लंच आयच्या दिसाचो. आनी चोया मागीर तो दीस कितें कोन्न वयता तो दाखयता तुमकां. ओके, मागीर मेळ्या. So friends, जालें फिश कटलेट्स बी भाजून रायस जालो म्हगेलो करी आहा आनी आमी आतां आनी मातशे वक्तान वयताय जेवपाक. ओके सो आयच्या दिसा व्लॉग हांव हिंगा एंड कोतां आनी तुम कोणाकूय म्हगे व्लॉग लायक जालो जाल्यार पोटेटो भाजी आनी सम प्ले टायम जॉर्डना बारबर एक धाकटीशी कलर एक्टिविटी केलो ती आनी अशें कोन्न म्हगेलो आतां होल तो दिसूय बी वयतलो. सो हो व्लॉग तुमकां लायक जालो जाल्यार लायक कोराय, कमेंट कोराय, शेअर कोराय आनी कोणूय न्यू आहाय म्हगे चॅनलाचेर प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चॅनल DNJ. We will soon see you in our next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.